Hey guys, I am outside of the IKEA parking lot taking my time before going in and stepping into the overwhelming goodness of IKEA. So I'm gonna be shopping for some organization items and just seeing overall what they have because it's been a minute since I've been to IKEA. So I hope you enjoy this shop with me and let's go shop. Okay, so I have my water jug with me. I started off the new year wanting to be very strategic and intentional with my water intake. So I have that, my bag, and we're starting off on the showroom floor because I love to take a look at what they have and the decor and all that goodness. So starting off here, and this is what it looks like. Caught my eye. It's very similar to the table that I have. This doormat is super cute. Don't sleep on IKEA mats because they're super cheap, $10. And then of course I found these little boxes which are super cute. I've been looking for some baskets for my little console table in my living room. And this sofa definitely caught my eye. Like if I saw this somewhere I would not think it was IKEA. These containers definitely caught my eye. I was looking for something kind of like this to organize my fridge. So there's a carafe and a pitcher. Another piece that looks pretty high-end for IKEA, it's like a chase lounge and surprise, it has storage under it. So that would be really nice as an addition in someone's bedroom. Here's another newbie at IKEA. This looks very high quality and it's a nice faux leather couch, decent price, and they have this in a few other colors, but this one is definitely the one that caught my eye. Of course, the K-Legs, one of my faves. Looking at this, thinking about my office. Can't go to IKEA without grabbing one of the free rulers that they offer. I love that they offer this because you definitely need one when you're shopping for your home. Tons of coffee tables here, coffee tables galore, and tables. None of these in particular caught my eye today. I always stop by the Besta cabinet section because I plan on getting Besta cabinets for my office. I want to always look at what kind of doors they have because they have a nice variety of different doors. The possibilities are endless and they all have different pricing. So some of the doors are like $11, like this one right here, that one caught my eye. And then some of the doors are up to $50. I love the variety of serving boards that they have here. They're great for kitchen decor and they're pretty affordable here at IKEA as opposed to other places. These desks are such a genius idea, $60 for a desk, and they kind of look like even a console. So if you have a tight space, even an entryway that can double as an office, this would be a great buy. Okay, so this definitely caught my eye. I know typically this is for a file cabinet, but this would be the perfect thing in an entryway for storage and something minimalistic that you can use as a console table. Now I had to stop right here because these products definitely looked more than what they costed, and I've been having to do a lot of offices for clients lately, so this would be the perfect buy for your office if you are on a budget. They look built in, even though they're not. They are more of a traditional look, but they're still very, very beautiful. I know the shelves and I believe the desk also come in different colors, so this is definitely a buy that I would recommend for clients. This desk chair immediately stood out to me. I've never seen anything like this at IKEA. It's minimalistic, it's ergonomic, and it has a decent price. I recognize these beautiful Sanella pillow covers immediately. Great addition for the bed. And this bed frame I have saved on my IKEA app. It's beautiful and decently priced. I definitely took note of this gorgeous bedspread for when I get down to the marketplace. Now I've seen these baskets previously and they always caught my eye, so I figured why not just try them? Let's see if they will fit in my little console table. So I grabbed a set for me. They're nesting and they come with 3. And then these baskets again obviously caught my eye, so I decided why not, let's try them out, and I grabbed this nesting set. This set comes in a set of 2, and I'm going to try these out in my console table as well. In case you didn't know, IKEA is the perfect place to get shoe storage for your entryway. You should already know I'm big on that. I love stopping by the children's section. I love all the whimsy and the beautiful colors in the children's section. I really liked this light fixture. It's beautiful. It would be a beautiful addition in a kid's room, and I love the little cloud lamps and things like that. So I made it to the marketplace section. This right here would be the perfect thing to elevate any decor in your kitchen, and then you can also use it as a chopping board. Like I mentioned before, these are some of the organizational things that I wanted to find, so I grabbed one just to try it out. And this thing was like a magic trick. Like, it's a silicone lid, it doesn't snap or anything, but clearly seals it to where you can pick it up. This is pretty much where I get all my glassware for my food container, so I just grabbed a few more extra lids as well. And then I love this little tray, perfect for some kitchen decor to create a cute vignette. The silverware was a little pricey for me. I own this bath mat and I would recommend it to nearly everybody. It holds its fluffiness and it's a very good quality. I've had it for 2 years, so this is a buy. Of course, my beloved Sanella pillow covers. This is the color I was looking for my client, but they were completely sold out at this location, so I'm just gonna have to watch it on the website or see if I can find it at a different location. This buy is probably my #1 recommendation. You can save so much money on your design project by just getting cheap pillow inserts, especially if they're just for throw pillows. So I purchased a ton for my client. I've also been looking for a low price bed blanket. This one is a tad small, but because of the price, we'll try it out. One thing I always love to look at are the rugs at IKEA, and every time I come back, they have all these newer rugs that are so nice. These are kind of like jute rugs. This little rug right here with the houndstooth pattern was adorable. They have such a variety in different sizes, and I know if I'm really looking for a good deal, I can come to IKEA and find a decent rug. This is my absolute favorite floor lamp from IKEA, so I had to get a shot of it. I would definitely pick that up for a client. I thought this was interesting because I have something very similar to this at home, and it's a great content creator tool. This is a very unique light fixture. decently priced. And this next one that you're gonna see is a very unique light fixture. This would be perfect in a kid's or teenager's room. The only thing I don't like is that the petals are made out of felt, so it might be hard to clean. Favorite mirror. And you know I had to check out the as-is section and the Christmas clearance before leaving, but that's pretty much the end of my shopping trip. I ended up leaving with tons of pillow inserts, 2 of the Sanella pillow covers, that gray throw that I showed you earlier in the video, and then just a few knickknacks for myself. But I was kind of disappointed that they didn't have any new layouts, because I love looking at the interior design that they do, so hopefully they're going to change that soon. But until next time, IKEA. Comment below if you would like to see more shop with me videos when I'm shopping for clients or myself, or what other content you would like to see. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.